GetResponse Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. In today's video, we're going to dive into the GetResponse Affiliate Program and discuss everything you need to know about how it works, its features, and whether it's a good fit for your affiliate marketing strategy. You'll find links to GetResponse in the description below for easy access. GetResponse is a comprehensive email marketing platform that includes features like automated email sequences, landing page builders, and conversion funnels, making it ideal for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and digital marketers looking to grow their online presence. As an affiliate, GetResponse offers a generous commission structure. You can earn up to 33% recurring commission for every customer you refer. What's great about this program is that the commissions are recurring, meaning you'll continue to earn money as long as your referrals stay subscribed to GetResponse. This makes it a strong choice for building a steady, long-term income stream. Plus, GetResponse's user-friendly interface and robust features make it easy to promote to your audience, especially if they are looking for tools to streamline their email marketing efforts. The Affiliate Dashboard provides you with useful insights and metrics to track your performance, conversions, and commissions in real time. There are also pre-made promotional materials like banners and email templates available to help you promote GetResponse effectively. They also have a dedicated affiliate support team and offer training and resources for affiliates to improve their marketing strategies. If your audience consists of people who want to enhance their email marketing or build sales funnels, the GetResponse Affiliate Program is definitely a program to consider. The program is also great for those who have experience in promoting SaaS products, given its focus on offering valuable marketing tools. In conclusion, GetResponse is a powerful platform, and with its affiliate program offering recurring commissions and plenty of support, it's an excellent choice for marketers looking for a solid, ongoing income. Check out the links in the description to get started and learn more.